Hello guys. So we are going to do a basic Spring Boot tutorial, and this is the first video for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I dive into the details about what project we're going to do, first we need to set up a basic Spring Boot project. So there is this website called which you can find by writing into Google Spring Boot initializr, and yeah, it's Spring initializr, and here are the various options you can choose to basically set up your project much quicker than you could do it manually. So we are going to leave the defaults and just rename it to I'll just rename it to my name, Mindaugas B, and just do with artifact as vending, because we are going to do a vending machine project, which I'll talk about in the next video. And in this web page you can add dependencies, which are basically the way to think about dependencies would be that it's like code libraries which you can which Maven or Gradle would pull into your project for you, and you can use that library's functionality. For example, the Spring Web library would give you the controller and various other functionality. The security dependency would give you access to Spring security modules, and the actuator would give you the monitoring capabilities that Spring provides, etc. So you will see more about this in the next videos. I'm not going to get into the details a lot. So the dependencies that we need are web, REST JPA, and we are going to need another one called H2. H2 is an in-memory database which helps us to fasten our development, because we do not need all of the tedious setup with the database, which is just boilerplate code. But if you guys want, you can just comment, and I can of course do an extra where we integrate with MySQL and do a setup on my local environment real quick. So these are all the dependencies that we need, and we're going to press generate project, vending, and how you go about this is just we'll just add it somewhere. Let's say I'll add it to documents and vending, and basically you just extract the files. Then you go to IntelliJ, and I already have the project here, so what you will do is just press open, and go to the directory of the project. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss about the vending application, and we will start from scratch. Don't worry, this is actually the finished project. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Thank you.